What do Lay's chips and Pepsi bottles have in common, besides being everywhere? They're both produced by one of the world's most advanced automated systems. Behind the scenes at PepsiCo, robots, sensors, and AI work 24/7 to move raw ingredients, control flavors, monitor quality, and ship finished products to every corner of the planet. This isn't just about speed, it's about precision, safety, and sustainability on a global scale. But how do you inspect thousands of chips per minute without missing a flaw? How are bottles filled, capped, labeled, and palletized without ever touching human hands? And how does automation make PepsiCo more efficient and more eco-conscious? Do you want answers? Watch the full video to get them. High-speed snack production automation. The journey of every Lay's chip starts with a potato, but what happens next is anything but simple. Inside PepsiCo's snack production plants, automation takes over the moment raw potatoes arrive. After sorting and cleaning, they're moved into a high-speed slicing system, where robotic blades adjust automatically based on thickness requirements, down to a fraction of a millimeter. From there, chips enter continuous fryers equipped with real-time oil monitoring systems. These systems control temperature, turnover rate, and fry time with millisecond-level precision, ensuring each chip has the perfect crunch and golden color. But flavor is just the beginning. Next comes seasoning, a process historically prone to inconsistency. Not anymore. PepsiCo uses robotic seasoning arms combined with smart dispensers that adjust flow based on chip speed, orientation, and batch settings. Every bag is perfectly balanced. No under-seasoned chips, no flavor dust overload. After that, chips move through optical inspection tunnels. Here, high-speed vision systems scan thousands of chips per minute, detecting burnt edges, cracks, size inconsistencies, or bubbles. Any chip that falls outside the standard is automatically removed from the line by precise air-jet systems or robotic pickers before reaching packaging. This entire workflow runs continuously, managed by centralized control software that tracks every batch, machine setting, and quality metric in real time. Operators don't touch the chips, they manage the system that makes them. The result? Minimal waste, perfect flavor distribution, and consistent product quality that meets PepsiCo's global standards. This is how automation transforms raw agriculture into a high-precision snack delivered at massive scale with minimal variation. Smart beverage bottling and filling. While snacks run hot and fast, PepsiCo's beverage production is all about pressure, precision, and purity, executed at industrial scale. Every bottle of Pepsi, Mountain Dew, or Gatorade begins in a fully automated bottling line, where cleanliness and control are paramount. The process is built on three principles: speed, sterility, and synchronization. It starts with the bottles themselves, formed in-house through blow molding machines that create PET bottles on demand. These bottles move directly into rinse and sterilization tunnels, where they're cleaned using filtered air, ionized gas, or food-grade sterilants, all controlled by automated sanitation protocols with no human contact. Next is the filling stage, arguably the most precise part of the process. Each beverage, carbonated or still, is dosed using multi-head filling machines that monitor flow rate, pressure, carbonation levels, and liquid volume in milliseconds. A single miscalibration could cause overflows, flat drinks, or inconsistent flavor. That's why PepsiCo uses digital flow meters and inline analyzers to adjust fill speed in real time. For carbonated products, the system synchronizes CO2 injection with filling to avoid gas loss and foaming. Once filled, bottles move seamlessly to automated capping stations, where torque sensors ensure each cap is sealed to exact pressure tolerances. Every bottle is then passed through labeling machines, which apply pressure-sensitive or shrink-sleeve labels at speeds of over 1,000 units per minute. Throughout the line, vision inspection systems monitor fill height, label placement, cap alignment, barcode accuracy. If any detail is off by even a fraction, the product is rejected and rerouted, without slowing down the line. Even cleaning is automated. Between shifts or product changes, the entire line runs a clean-in-place (CIP) cycle, where pipes, valves, and tanks are flushed, sterilized, and validated by software, with no disassembly and no manual scrubbing. What used to take hours and dozens of operators now happens with the push of a button, and full data logging for regulatory compliance. This is how PepsiCo produces beverages not just by the truckload, but by the millisecond, where every drop is accounted for, every cap is perfect, and every bottle hits the shelf ready to deliver a familiar taste with machine-driven consistency. AI-powered quality control systems. In a factory that produces millions of products a day, traditional human inspection just isn't fast or accurate enough. That's why PepsiCo relies on AI-powered quality control systems to monitor everything from chip shape to carbonation levels in real time. These systems do more than check for obvious defects. They're trained on massive datasets of product images, process metrics, and past performance, giving them the ability to detect even the slightest variations that might affect taste, texture, or shelf life. Across both snack and beverage lines, PepsiCo deploys a network of smart cameras, sensors, and machine learning models that work together to enforce quality at every critical stage. Visual AI systems inspect product surfaces for discoloration, burn marks, or packaging misprints. Predictive analytics engines detect process drift, like a seasoning line that's slightly off ratio, or a bottler running 0.2 seconds too slow. Acoustic sensors even listen to machines, flagging subtle changes in vibration or sound that may indicate mechanical wear before it affects production. Here's how the system works in practice. A chip with uneven seasoning, caught by a high-speed camera trained on perfect product standards. A label that's 1 millimeter off-center, flagged and removed instantly by a robotic diverter. A filler that's starting to produce slight overfills due to pressure drift, detected and corrected automatically before a single bad unit hits the packaging line. The real strength lies in system integration. PepsiCo's quality control AI doesn't operate in isolation. It connects to the entire manufacturing execution system, MES. This means every error is logged and time-stamped. Every batch has a digital performance trail. Trends are analyzed across shifts, factories, and product lines. If an issue emerges in one region, the AI can recommend global adjustments before the problem spreads. It's not just real-time reaction, it's data-driven prevention. In some PepsiCo facilities, AI is even used to simulate new production setups, testing changes to temperature, speed, or ingredient ratio virtually before rolling them out to the physical line. This is how PepsiCo maintains quality across dozens of brands, formats, and factories. Not by working harder, but by making the system intelligent enough to monitor itself. Automated packaging and robotic palletizing. Once the chips are perfectly seasoned and the bottles precisely filled, it's time to get them packaged. And this is where PepsiCo's factories really show off their speed and versatility. In traditional facilities, packaging can be a bottleneck. But in PepsiCo's world, it's a fully automated choreography of robotic arms, smart conveyors, and vision-guided quality checks, executing thousands of movements per minute with almost zero human touch. On the snack side, chips are dropped into high-speed vertical form-fill-seal machines, which bag, weigh, and seal each pack in under a second. Check weighers confirm that every bag contains the right amount, rejecting over- or underfilled units in real time. Bags are grouped into cartons using robotic case packers, which adapt to different bag sizes, counts, and formats without manual reconfiguration. On the beverage side, bottles are shrink-wrapped, boxed, or arranged into multi-packs based on retail demand. Robotic label checkers verify branding and regulatory compliance by region. Product barcodes are scanned and logged for full traceability, all the way to the pallet. Once grouped, everything moves into the palletizing zone, a fully robotic system designed to stack products with speed, strength, and precision. Here's where it gets really smart. Robotic palletizers are fed live data from order management systems. They can switch between SKUs on the fly, building mixed product pallets for specific store layouts or delivery routes. Patterns are calculated dynamically to maximize space and stability, a critical detail for long-haul logistics. PepsiCo also integrates automated stretch wrapping stations and labeling systems, ensuring that every pallet is scanned, wrapped, coded, and routed to the correct distribution dock with no manual sorting required. The entire flow is managed by Warehouse Execution Software, WES, that syncs with production data, shipping schedules, and regional demand forecasting. The result? Faster order fulfillment, fewer errors in shipping, and a logistics system agile enough to keep pace with everything from seasonal promotions to last-minute retail restocks. This isn't just packaging, it's real-time product orchestration, where robots respond to market needs as quickly as products roll off the line. Sustainability through automation. Efficiency is powerful, but in PepsiCo's world, efficiency with purpose is the goal, and automation plays a critical role in helping the company reduce its environmental footprint while keeping production moving at global scale. Every smart motor, every automated sensor, every AI-optimized schedule contributes to a bigger strategy, making snacks and drinks more sustainably. Let's start with energy. Across PepsiCo's factories, equipment is powered by intelligent motor systems that automatically adjust based on production demand. Conveyor belts, ovens, and chillers don't run at full power when they don't need to. Instead, they operate with variable frequency drives and load balancing algorithms that reduce energy waste hour by hour. Next, water usage. In beverage plants, automated clean-in-place (CIP) systems use sensors to determine exactly how much water and cleaning agent is needed to sterilize equipment. No more, no less. These systems recycle rinse water where possible, cutting usage drastically compared to traditional manual cleaning processes. Waste management, also automated. Vision systems and robotic sorters remove defective products and separate materials for reprocessing. Smart dosing systems reduce ingredient overuse and minimize batch loss. Even packaging is optimized. Machines calculate the lightest possible material required for each product, helping PepsiCo reduce plastic and cardboard without sacrificing durability. And all of this is tracked through PepsiCo's sustainability dashboards, which aggregate factory-level data into live KPIs: CO2 emissions, water and energy use per unit, material waste rates, packaging recyclability ratios. This allows the company to set goals, not just yearly, but hourly, and adjust in real time across its global operations. The takeaway? PepsiCo doesn't treat sustainability as a separate initiative. It's baked into the software, sensors, and decisions behind every robotic movement, proving that environmental impact and industrial output don't have to compete when automation is in control. From perfectly seasoned chips to precision-filled soft drinks, PepsiCo's factories aren't just fast, they're smart, responsive, and sustainable. Here, robots don't just replace labor, they upgrade it. AI doesn't just spot mistakes, it prevents them. And automation isn't just a tool, it's the engine behind a global food and beverage network that runs 24/7 without losing sight of quality, safety, or environmental impact. This is modern manufacturing on display, and the machines behind your favorite snacks never stop. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What surprised you most about PepsiCo's tech? This video is produced by Automate, the platform connecting robotics and PLC programmers with the companies shaping the future of smart manufacturing. Visit autom80deal.com to learn more and explore the world of intelligent industry.